server on VMware Workstation. This is my image location. I'm going to be keep a user details here. It's then click next. Yes, and server name I'm going to be keep AD airport and processors 2 default. I'm going to keep a 4 GB of RAM. Communicating with the NAT through my host system. Virtual disk is 60 GB. 60 GB for a Windows. It's going to be turned on. Then boot from the operating system. Always disk like ISO disk. I'm going to choose a desktop experience, Windows 2022 standard. Click next. Now required files copying and installing Windows Server. Post installation of that operating system, mandatory things. One is a patch need to be updated in the Windows Server, and IP should be configured. Otherwise, while configuring the Active Directory, it is going to be throw an error. And the second thing, I am running on an VMware, so I have to install the VMware tools as well. If it is on Hyper-V, then no need. Now I am installing VMware tools. Once it is done, then I'm going to be add roles and features for Active Directory services. I just finished VMware tools. Then after I performed the reboot, now I'm going to be login and update all the required patches. Now I performed all the patch installations, like Windows updates are completed. Now I'm going to be perform a reboot. Then after I'm going to be enable the Active Directory services. Once the reboot is completed, go to Server Manager, go to Manage, add roles and features, click Next. Select the Active Directory domain services. Click Next. You can select DNS. Click Next. You can go with the reboot if required. Then install. It's completed. Closing now. And go to post configuration. Adding a new domain controller to an existing domain. No, this is a new forest, so I'm going to be continue with that new forest now. And, my domain is lab.online. Then click next. Then provide a password for DSRM, directory service restore mode, when you going to be restore the server, so that time it requires. Then click next, and you can create a DNS. Click next. Now mainnet BIOS will be your online, your lab. Yeah, so then click next. So this is the default location it is going to be. These are the default directories. Then click next. And you can see the script. If required, you can save the script in YAML. It's going to take some time. Then it is going to reboot. Click next to continue. It is showing all prerequisites passed successfully. Click next. Click install to begin installation. It's going to reboot now. Reboot completed. Now I'm going to be logging. We'll see the domain services. dsc.mse. Yes. So our domain yourlab.online is ready. So that's it for in this video. I'm going to be create one more server. Then I'm going to be join that server with this domain controller. So in my next video, we'll meet in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.